What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a nice little backpack. I know on the camera it may look big, but you guys, this is a small little backpack. Now, I purchased this because I got me a little mini iPad, or iPad mini. So I got the iPad mini generation 6, which I got used at a good deal at like $300 and something. It was like actually 400 and something because I got the cellular one, but I did have like $100 or 100 plus on my cash back from my credit card. So it's good to use your credit card, especially with a cash back credit card. That way you can benefit. I got this little mini backpack from Temu. Now, I don't know why Temu is getting, like, everybody's attacking Temu, you guys. I mean, what? Because it's from China? You guys, have you looked around in your house? Everything is from China. Just kidding. All right, you guys, so right here you have a zipper. So my action camera fit in there perfectly. And if I have to bring my other action camera, I could put my other action camera in there, zipping it right on up. You do have these side straps. I'm gonna be honest, I am not sure what the side straps are for. Maybe you could put like a bottle of water and strap it right there. That would probably be cool. We have another pocket right here. All right, you could put like a little book there or something. I do have my iPad mini right here. And guess what? It fits right on in there, you guys. Easy. And that's just the first pouch. Got the top one right here. You could stick maybe some chewing gum or something right there. You know, you gotta have your extra pack of chewing gum. Let's see what the big pocket holds. All right, so it's just regular, okay? Once again, you could put like a little book in here or something, whatever you might keep notes on. I know people are gonna be like, why don't you just keep notes on your iPad? Well, some of us still like writing on paper. And then on the back, we have another zipper. Oh, so you have another major area, but it's hidden in the back. So this has like a little pouch right here. So, you know how laptop book bags be? So that's how this is. So I probably would put my iPad right there. Let's see. Yep, my iPad mini fits right there, right in the back. All right. And then you have two slots right here. I know you can't really see it, but you see it now. So you got two slots right here where you can stick something in there. They got the USB cords right here. Flip it out, there's a slot right here. So if you bend this out, you can actually fit the part that you need to go in. Oh, well, it's best to put this part on the outside. So let's do that real quick. All right, I'm going to put this in. I'm going in backwards. I'm gonna go in backwards. Had to find a hole, you guys. All right, and we are in. Pull that in, and this is so cool. So basically you could put this in there like that, pushing and pulling, and then there you go. All right, so if you need to charge something, I do have my block. I forgot where I put it. I think it's over there somewhere, but my power bank, I can't put my power bank in here, fit it nice and comfortable, and use this as a charger in case I'm like at a desk or something. I can just go ahead and hook it up from the outside of my book bag or whatnot. And that's it. So you do have your straps right here. It's pretty cool that you could take that off. I don't know why you would take it off. Maybe y'all can tell me, give me a little idea. So if you want to just use this as a one strap, you can. If you want to use it as a regular book bag, you can. Pull it down. And that's how you loosen it. Pull that like that to adjust it. If I went too fast with y'all on that one, then I will do another video where y'all can see more of my body. But that's it. Looks pretty good. All right. I like that, you guys. Nice and easy. So there's no cross strap or anything, but you don't really need it. So yeah, this would be my new little book bag. I like this. Now you guys, I bought this from Temu for like $8. Yeah, so I don't know what the price is. You know, these range from like $11, $8. Sometimes you might find one that's $18. You know, it might be a little bit nicer, but I like the quality of this. It feels very nice. All right. Now, I don't know how long it's going to last, you guys, you know. But for when I bought it, I believe it was $8. I will post up what I paid for it. I think I paid $8. It has been a while since I bought it. But since I just got my iPad, now I have something to put my iPad in, and I feel pretty good. I don't have to carry my laptop nowhere no more. So I can actually put everything onto my iPad. But you know, that's a long story when it comes to why I got rid of my iPhone and blah, 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 blah. All right. I might do that in another blog. So, or another review, another blog. So I might do that in another review, but I just wanted to show y'all the cool book bag from Temu, and that will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.